Henry, your special is very important.
Henry huffed with happiness.
Thank you, sir.
You are to collect a very important visitor from Brendam Docks.
Welcome to Sodor, sir. I am Henry.
Yes, Henry. I am pleased to meet you.
I'm chuffing. I'm puffing. I feel quite at my best. I like my special coal. Watch me steam like all the rest.
Then he saw Arry and Bert.
Will you help us?
Henry huffed happily.
Of course I will. We'll help each other out.
Hooray for Henry!
Henry, I need you to help me now. We must get to the docks before the ship leaves.
Henry and Hiro puffed and chuffed.
Well done, Henry! Keep on puffing!
The dock workers cheered for Henry when they saw him shunting Hiro and the flatbed.
Well done. You got here just in time.
Thank you, sir. I couldn't have done it without Henry. He kept puffing even after I broke down.
Yes, but Hiro, you were the one who taught me to keep on puffing, no matter what.
Good morning, sir. Gordon asked me to tell you that he's going to be late. I did say you might need someone else to take the express. I thought of Henry.
Of course Henry can take the express.
So Henry set off with the express.
Express coming through! Hi, Gordon. Bye, Gordon.
Thank you, Henry. Very comfortable journey.
It's my pleasure.
I wish you could pull the express every day.